Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom property located in Stanbeck Drive, Tower Isle, St. Mary. This property is a single family residence which incorporates a main house, staff quarters, and an outdoor kitchen. The main building is comprised of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, veranda, combined living and dining area. The staff quarters is approximately 471 square feet and features 2 additional bedrooms, 1 bathroom, laundry room, and storeroom. Other amenities includes an outdoor kitchen, approximately 440 square feet. The subject property can easily be converted to multi-family residence. The total land area of this property is 18,649 square feet. Other features includes ceramic and terrazzo tile, garden area, fully fenced, central location, easy access, and is family oriented. The current price of this property is Jamaican 45 million or US $287,000. Now, let's take a quick look at this property and please leave a comment and let us know your Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.